Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find Roblox server region and how to improve your ping in Roblox. First, open up your Google Chrome browser and we are going to search for BT Roblox extension and hit search. And this search should come up BT Roblox from Chrome Web Store, so click on that and this will take us to the extension page where we can add it to our Chrome. So click on Add to Chrome right here and click on Add Extension. As you can see, there are many people that is using this and also has good ratings. So this is safe to use and is actually working. After that, let's head back to roblox.com. Let's click on the gear icon at the top right of the site and click on BTR settings. Let's scroll down from here and let's expand the advanced section by clicking on it. Scroll down and you can see a drop down menu right here that says game details. Click on that one and let's select region from here. After that, let's exit from this one and refresh Roblox, and we can then select a game that you want to improve your ping on. For example, I'm going to select this game, scroll down to the servers, and I'm going to click on exclude full servers, and it should now show the region like this. And you can also click on the gear icon again, go to the BTR settings, expand the advanced section, and we can click on combined right here. Let's refresh the page and you should also be able to see the ping and the region. So you can pick a server that is closer to you to improve your ping. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.